Hey everyone, working on the Acadia again, and here's a view that probably most people don't get to see. This is actually under the engine. After a little bit of persuasion, let's see if we can get around here. We got the gas tank out. Sorry, this is an awkward angle. I'm still under the engine, but anywho, it really doesn't look that bad. Although I'm not sure why. I don't know if you guys can see that. Nut, no nut, no nut, no nut, nut, no nut. That bolts the cylinder down, so that's a little concerning. But then again, it hasn't done anything since we've owned it. Huh. Very interesting. I doubt the guys that we bought it off would have done anything. So, I don't know how well you can see. That might be the original red on the bottom of the cylinder there. You can see something there. That might be the paint that they repainted it with. I don't know if I can point to it or not. Right there. That's the red on the outside. This may be the original red. Sorry for the shakiness. Like I say, I'm under the engine, so it's not a very good filming location. Kinda neat though. Alright, give me 2 seconds, I'll get out of here and I'll show you the tank. Okay, we're out. So here's the tank. It's the filler neck. That is the fill hole. Yes, we had to heat it up. Heat it up, so that's just a bit of smoke. There is the fuel out. This I absolutely love. Right here. That's your breather. It's literally just a piece of, where is chicken wire with almost a piece of twine or, oops, sorry, focus. Piece of twine or rope or something. Kind of feels like packing, to be honest. But we're just going to leave that on there. You see, it's dirty, but it doesn't feel too bad. So that's the front. There's the bottom. Eesh. It doesn't look absolutely hideous. That might be a patch. I don't know, but we'll get it all cleaned up and then I'll show you guys. I have to get my inspection camera in there and see how bad it is. Because if you look there, that's the inn. If that was fuel, it's been in there for quite some time. Say that. Yeah, it's a little warm, but that guy goes there. That's the fill. And then we have the gas cap, whatever you want to call it. And that guy was right there. Notice we got that stupid little round tank off of there, so that's one eyesore gone. This little thing. It worked for what it was, but it would only run the engine for maybe about 10 minutes if you're lucky. A little bit of progress, so we'll keep going, and like I say, I'll get back to you when I have an update on that tank. Alright, talk to you guys later.